Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Okay, let's try this one. So question 9, if x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3 over 2, are the roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the possible values for a, b and c. So that there are more than one solution with the way they've written this. Find possible values. Okay, so you have two ways of doing this. They've given you the solutions or what we call the roots of the quadratic. You can form factors and then multiply them together to give you a quadratic. Or of course, you can form the quadratic using the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, okay? So I'm going to do it two ways. So method 1, form factors to form the quadratic, okay? So what do I mean by that? Well, x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3 over 2, okay? So bring him over this side to form your factor. Bring him over this side to form your other factor. And multiply them by each other. Okay, so you are going to get x minus root 3 by x plus root 3 over 2. Okay, so let's multiply them out. So again, it's x by x and x by root 3 over 2 minus root 3 by x minus root 3 by root 3 over 2. So x by x squared. X by root 3 over 2 is root 3 over 2x minus root 3x minus by plus is a minus root 3 by root 3 over 2. Okay, and let your calculator do the work. So x squared is x squared. I have hit the fraction button and on the top root 3 over 2 minus root 3 and I get minus root 3 over 2x, and then I have root 3 multiply by, hit the fraction button, root 3 over 2, and I'm getting minus 3 over 2. And there's my quadratic. So a is 1, b is equal to minus root 3 over 2, and c is minus 3 over 2. Okay, perfectly fine way of doing it. Yes, it was difficult because of the surds and the fractions, but the method is the same. Take the roots, form the factors, multiply it out. Okay, method 2 then. Okay, so any quadratic can be formed from x squared minus x times the sum of the roots plus the product of the roots. And that's equal to 0. Okay, so let's find the sum of our roots. So sum means add. So my roots are root 3 plus minus root 3 over 2. So if I add them, I am getting root 3 over 2. Okay, and the product of the roots, product means multiply, so it's root 3 multiply by root 3 over 2. We do that on the calculator, and it's 3 over 2. Okay, so then you form your quadratic by filling in the product and the roots and the sum of the roots into this. So you get x squared, so it's minus x times the sum of the roots. Okay, so minus root 3 over 2x, and then it's plus the product of the roots, and that's my product of the roots, equals 0. Okay, so just like before, a is 1, b is equal to minus root 3 over 2, and c is equal to 3 over 2. I have a sign wrong because I never put in my minus there, so he should be a minus. Okay, apologies. Okay, Okay, so I'm just looking across at the way I'm supposed to give my answer. It's a number ax squared. Okay, so they probably want me to multiply by 2 across to get rid of the fractions, and that's how I get a number in front of x squared. So I will get 2x squared minus root 3x minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus root 3, and c is equal to minus 3 over 2. Okay, so you can see possible solutions. This one feels more right because I multiplied across by 2. Okay, so 2 methods, kind of, okay? I want to just draw your attention to some little bits. So the product of the roots here, if you look at how I got my last term, my 3 over 2, can you see it's from the product of the roots? Okay, how did I get the ones in the middle? Well, in fact, if you look at it, it's actually the sum of the roots, and it's just you change the sign. Okay, so 2 methods, but very similar. So x squared minus x times the sum of the root plus the product of the roots is a great way of forming a quadratic. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice? In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.